na almost share ball na se no me tie Ghana national team we nam tuka
87.9 Kumasi
na me kone na me ya me hu se baby a me fa bia na commentary koso na me yem na me pakeka na ofie na me share me boots se me ko jogging by force it me nante ya bedru fie no na ya bo 45 minutes ya bo extra time by the na more de no ohwe ne o se de o sere me bi pa it you am sa change channel no na me ko to CNN tia
yeah if you on kwa na ohwe TV
na unu ade mi wura bafu no bi abie akwa minim se no ye don broadcast
bi Akoma
we bi Akoma no commentary na me yem but am say no twam we area mu
okay
it will call you no and am sa ko me ko to see na we na me hwe a movie kakra me hwe movie an ti one makohwe internet no so ma hebe bi abo
wa hwe
it you drew 89 minutes no 90th minute and am ko hwe kakra afimo se corners bi ba eh me de to bi ana corner me to bi a corner it that's why me to na se corner no meto awie na coach referee no pepepe na me say radio that's it eti menum dwanyi na echi no menya kokudru anhwe ball
eze no wa unti unye bi nkan
so dabi we na me ko he your friends we omnibus playback ti we na me change channel the time na Panaman ene Panama ne pushie bon na me hwe another channel on my feedback on my na me man another on bo playback na me hwe ti me hwe se John no kwasem ne se me kan se ohwe emrante no a omo ewo Black Stars say no a against England no na nipa ni mu bi ni omo abodada it they know them and no say John ohwe it came to play ampa say omo nsuro England for no so an open player no mo nsuro omo yes they were playing according to coach ne tactics say omo nyira chire ho omo yire chire ho perfect look say John Ghana obi nya yellow card obi nya yellow card and it tells you into him inakinya yellow card okay don't no crowd the defend no crowd the striker
no dia no
so you can
no dia obe defend here
we defend obeje but we see it makes sense because on your defender or a striker and waba
you defenders no
you defenders
from
obi no anonym
midfield
consistently the pundits are na metie omo no mo ka said the Ghana defense they are very disciplined. This another kaya second half na omo ba no fit tunnel no mu wrap park ne so no one minimum say na coach no so no be also stay disciplined and no catch Ghana for
na Jordan so kan
yes.
Jordan so kan be sir
yes
yeah.
They were disciplined and this is one of the best organized defenses say yon ubenya uwiase say ye defend the partner defend the bi anya yellow card. And you see, because defense no, na very very clean. Wo de hwe omo kwade we omo ko. Say Hurricane na beje ball no a obo se nipa 2 bi no mako. The moment omo be destabilize Hurricane pe no munya asa for the back. Do omo ko no ma for the back. Jonas Ajete say John Bo biawa or blockade.
I made a Hurricane ba ku bi onya ya na
yes
who party ho na sene ya
yes
na
Ajete no ma block no and you see omo block so a no ma go back
any
yes boy we say wo boy ya no block omo yi ball ni free ho no ma withdraw we say Ghana for no defense ni so omo some energy bia say John omo recovery omo block you no makoba won say omo say England for no formation.
Oh, now my frustrated.
Omo frustrated. Hey,
just say
Jude Bellingham. No wonder said Jude Bellingham catch it almost said look, you know they deserve what we say because he didn't have a field day. So the ball ni be di omo be. Look, hey, me die. Me sports experts and I said pundits. Ye hwe ball no said the obi a hwe ni bia. So they say pepe mo ne we mo na omo de omo no. Yeah. Omo ye expert too. Me we did power Black Stars team. 87.9. And I've said and I maintain say ye match am suru e crucial. And the reason is that Croatia no ye mrantie no ene minim players omo no mabo. So minim omo players omo no mabo pen.
Oh they drew
so, but with the enra me hu ye no me wo gidie pa se Croatia ebeye me formality.
And almost bra so almost Panama.
Yes. No, Panama no me strong. Panama no me strong. Panama no me strong.
England no mo bo na mbo hu.
Ah, Panama is strong. Even say England for be show me be but oh yeah, about me strong.
87.9.
So, Sir John, Ghana be kwachiri. And anopena Sarah for kase baby e beda no very important. Me dem hu ni say second no dey be the second no. Na yetimi avoid it sa akese no. Me akese no kura me nsuro. But me problem is say Ghana no. E drew penalty shootout na akwa bibie ho na konwe say. Aha. Enti ebe show bi a e de nya no din ene 95 minutes near dia tum. Ye wi ane abi defend. Near the kwa enim sa. But Sir John ye more emrante na waso. But abaso bokese pa na ye coach no.
Yeah.
Utu ado yen san frɛ no ne mpam ni.
Yen san frɛ no ne mpam ni.
Na say obibi a de ama no.
So yen san mani bibi.
Say bi a de ne say ye de ne kakakra.
E kan no baby adu de adem say ya onu mo am ya boka o.
And yeah, de ne card so assign contract.
What do you onu de ka?
We your materials no. Na send your obehye wo mo no.
Yeah.
Say nipa mi stru mo mo and place mi stru ma wo mo. Your moment mi ama work up no. For now, e kamia kwa so obi e lose ni position.
I mean, you see am feel obi a o
because
Salis
87.9
we be you hwan your friend is saying Kudus crowd so Kudus crowd they say bia no nya kakra bo but Salis ne the other guy no Jiku obi you hwan
boys.
But you see I be a good because saving crown no say yes I was Salis musa out actually and as mu pokra na start na say Jonas Ajetene Jerome Pokumusa actually my bench near rich. Sa bench na near 2006 any 2010 World Cup no. Sa bench na near
we tournament ya kwa since a World Cup be qualified to tournament ya kwa. About 2 matches yen
consider go. And I said John, ade ba ko esama ne ni kama o man Ghana ne say wo hwe ye squad ya players me ensa pe na nyini wo. In fact, o kapa de anka mienu. Em say Inaki and a Jordan. And so me stand.
Na de ho become.
Miensa se miensa.
O ba fa ika ho.
Why?
Yeah.
Oh, senior man.
Benjamin.
Oh, senior man that's no give. What's normally
Benjamin
no there. Goalkeepers want to be double check. Obi ana 45 years kan that so that. Because no ntum rika na any man ne dey ne reflexes. So into omo dey, omo kra dey no money problem. So into where this young lad. Say John. Say ya. Obi a nipa no discover no yensa nkopɛ ne mo na ba so tu ado a pɛ no ne ma na award
Amazon one
sene ya the guy is too good. The guy is too
but I mean being able to scout according to sell say man yet scout adwuma magano to ado and one obetima here
sene ya is too good the confidence baby ojibobi one am say Anthony Hwan no God knows Hwan just one is useless.
And you chance
overlap you from say 3 who knows that they are now 2 na no ball overlap you the ball no just say so and crack it you so say no coach in there waka scano you also pb di bano na waka na enkra we do ngrumu omo amaye say John enkra we say mo e wo no say John ye momo e na kakra bi a say John you betimi age World Cup dache
yo
beat me at the World Cup dache.
Dache no.
Beat me at the World Cup dache. Say John, World Cup na ben Africa.
So
I'm telling you, hey, na we there. And I say we say adi wi anu wi aye. Penalty.
We are them we are mum.
So omo akra nkro for Wayne Rooney.
Say accessible with there.
Ama Jude Bellingham akra ka say ma say award na ma me kwa.
Akoma FM.
O say ke ko ma Ghana for ni.
Now Benjamin Asare. You say the Saudi for me say mo am fa no nko pe kakra be free. Why?
Aye.
Be say we dey fear dey enya yi. And ba mo say obi a kiro say